This is a question from Paper 1 under Physical Geography of the UK. So the question is asking you to examine the sustainability of a management scheme along one section of a coastline that you have studied. So first of all, what I've done is I have mentioned the coastline that we have studied. So we went to Christchurch Bay. So I've said that Christchurch Bay is eroding at 1.9 metres a year. This is due to high energy destructive waves, long fetch from the Atlantic Ocean and soft rocks present at the bay. So I've used some evidence and some examples of Christchurch Bay showing the examiner that I have actually studied this area. I've said that to reduce erosion, groins have been erected to trap sediment and reduce longshore drift. So this is a management scheme that we have looked at Christchurch. This in turn will reduce the erosion of the beach. In addition, beach replenishment is issued regularly. So I've mentioned other management schemes, but we're going to focus on the groins. So though groins are effective against longshore drift, which is what we saw at the bay, I have said that they are expensive at £700,000. Again, another little bit of evidence to show the examiner that you know what you were talking about. They also reduce deposition of sediment further down the coast, in turn creating more erosion in that area. I've also mentioned, so I've said that it does reduce erosion, but I've also mentioned a negative point as well, because we're looking at the sustainability of the management scheme. So I've said, to conclude, groins are expensive to replace, even though they do help manage longshore drift and help the bay. They can create erosion and damage in other areas of the coast. So I have added some positive and negative sections when looking at sustainability of a coastline we have looked at.